Ooh, doesn't like that. Violates check constant infographics template style. One of the more popular graphic styles that I've seen, a hand-drawn whiteboard visualization. One thing I've had an issue with is providing the pillars and bullets and then getting back an infographic that actually has the exact text that I want. One creator told me they were using Nano Banana through Google Gemini. Now I'm currently integrated to OpenAI API. I had mixed results just even to generate whiteboard graphics, and it's coming back kind of strange. I pasted that into, in this case, Google Gemini, and it came back with a great whiteboard infographic. Now, what I asked it was, if I send this same request to you via API, will it turn out different? And it answered yes. Example, I said, look, create an infographic in a whiteboard hand-drawn design style. Make it without hallucinating the text I provide, using exact text without inventing anything. And I gave it a longer prompt, and it came back with what I would want, something that has the exact text, but it's in the hand-drawn whiteboard style. That's not how it works. We have to build the logic into Robtozilla so that it prompts correctly. Our method right now is we create a template, and then to keep the text consistent and without constantly prompting AI, we're using the template with the pillars and the bullets. So it's not really just generating it with AI all the time. Ways to grow.
A few moments later.
Ooh, doesn't like that. Violates check constant infographics template style. I'm going to tell it that error. The other way to do this is you go into the browser and you, in this case I'm using Chrome, and you go to More Tools, Developer Tools, and this will actually show you errors in here. And you can also turn on Gemini for Chrome, and it'll try to explain what the error is and where it's coming from. It needs to update the database constraint to include new template type. Find out. The database constraint doesn't include the new template. All right, so it's updated it. It claims that's gonna fix it. Let's see what happens. All right, did it kill my autogen? Right, no, it killed everything. Let's see in the gallery if this exists though. Yeah, it didn't create it. Fingers crossed. I mean, this is not great, but this is the first shot at it. This is what it came up with on its own. It's using a very static style, but I can probably start getting more specific to try to rearrange the template so that it looks cooler. But you can see it's using a font that looks like it's hand-drawn. It does kind of look like whiteboard. Maybe I'll give it some sort of a frame in the design template, but technically this works. And this is actually a pretty good first shot. I will accept this, and let's consider this a success.